I have spent a week here before. I love the vibe. I love the doctor. I really enjoy the treatments. You know what? I would do 21 days here in a heartbeat. If you are looking for Ayurvedic treatment and you are able to cope in a, 3-star standard of accommodation, then this place is great. I want to show you 2 of my preferred rooms, okay? Number 1 is 305, okay? So we're doing the walkthrough a bit differently. This is an AC room, okay? So when we step into the AC room, first thing, it's nice and cool. You've got your split AC unit. You do have a ceiling fan. I prefer the AC. You've got twin beds. They can make it a king bed if you so require. You can contact the nurse on duty for assistance should you have any requirements. You have a table over here to have your meals, and you're fully aware of the different services offered at this resort because of the brochure. It tells you everything that they have. They also have a beauty salon nearby that does waxing and whatnot, which is very, very cool. All right, very rare at an Ayurveda center, but importantly, you have natural light in this particular room because you got windows over here, you've got a window over there. You do have a flat screen TV. I've never turned it on. I have no need for TV. All right, there you have it. Let's have a quick look at the bathroom. All right, turn on the bathroom, turn on the lights. Oh, we've got a fan. Let's turn that fan off for now. So you have a toilet, you have a douche, you have a shower head, and believe me, that is a powerful shower head based on my experience. You have a sink, you've got a mirror, you've got hand wash, you've got shampoo and body wash, and you've got 2 rolls of toilet paper. They'll give you more if you run out, and you might, just depend on what you are doing as far as Ayurveda. Now, they do give you bottled water, which is good because a lot of foreigners ask for bottled water as opposed to RO water. You have a kettle to make yourself some tea or coffee, which they should not be providing, but we will have that removed should you be doing a Panchakarma. Okay, you do have hangers in your wardrobe and you have space to keep your luggage down there. So this is a walkthrough of 305. Now let's go see the nearby 307. This is the jungle all around it. As I mentioned earlier, there is a ground floor where they do most of the treatments that are Ayurveda based, all right? And then on the other side of this jungle, just literally about 50 meters, you have the Ayurveda Hospital. Not Ayurveda, but a full-fledged allopathic hospital with osteopathy, naturopathy, dentistry, you name it, they have it here, okay? So one of the key differences between, all right, the standard rooms and the premium rooms or the AC rooms is this thick mattress. These are 10-inch mattresses, brand spanking new, okay? This AC is excellent, very cool. So they replaced the AC units. You have a flat screen TV, right? You've even got you really nice chairs. When I stayed here, I had wooden chairs and I had to sit on a wooden chair while doing my work. And I told them, you know what? People need to have decent chairs because they're gonna be chilling in their room quite a bit when they do Ayurveda. Look at the ceiling actually. It's actually quite nice the way it's been, fixed up, right? You do have an overhead ceiling fan in addition to the split AC, right? Step into the storage area. You have your kettle, steel kettle, you have bottled water, towels, space to keep your luggage. As you see over there, you've got your wardrobe space here, and step into the bathroom, sink, mirror, douche, body wash, shampoo, toilet paper, shower curtain separates the bathroom, the shower from the toilet, all right? So you can fully just close that up so it doesn't affect. And then step into the shower. That's the shower head. Control hot water here, and you know what? The hot water is solid, and so is the pressure that comes out of that, all right? There you go. There you have it. That is 307, and we were seeing 305 earlier, and this is Sri Sri Ayurveda Hospital in Bangalore. Thanks very much for watching. My name is Ali Aladina. I make videos about the best Ayurveda retreats in India. Get in touch if you're looking for advice on where to go, but not just advice. You value expertise. If you value expertise, contact Ayurooms.